Hi, my name is Gao Jie, Product Marketing Manager from the China Process Industries. People working in the process industry look for safety and reliability. There is always great motivation to develop dependable solutions to keep high safety levels, protect workers and equipment from harm. This allows for quick, online, easy maintenance. Not only does it detect shutdown, it also brings you back online quickly by finding the issues at an early stage. We face the failures due to harsh environment all over the world that will cause unwanted downtime, production loss, resulting in compromised safety and reliability. Dealing with challenges around safety and reliability is common in this industry, and we understand the importance of these challenges. Now, ASCO ARCS offers the following advantages: complete redundant configuration to increase its safety, reliability, operational availability, and both. Supply as one compact and fully integrated module with factory pretest and single part number to save space, be ready to install, and make ordering simplified. Direct valve-to-valve design in order to eliminate pipework and fittings between the solenoid valves. On-site indication and remote feedback for solenoid valve outlet to facilitate preventive maintenance and online detection of faults. Stay on, stay safe. That means individual isolation valve allows online maintenance with timely response to emergency shutdown command. Packless design and static seals minimize friction and eradicates sticking. Certified by Exceeder up to CO3. The ASCO 141 series ARCS features several advances that simplify specification, installation, and operation. Supply as a fully integrated, comprehensive solution using a manifold design instead of piping connection. To use a direct-acting 327 platform with improved solenoid design, advanced diagnostic capability, and online maintenance features. ARCS is suitable for a wide variety of valve piloting applications to meet both safety and operational availability requirements. Thank you for taking time to learn more about safety system and Emerson.